If you're on a Samsung phone, you can have your phone automatically switch wallpapers. Here's how you do it. We'll go to Settings first, and then navigate to Wallpaper and Style. Then you'll tap Change Wallpapers, and you can either choose between the built-in wallpaper options, or you can pick a custom wallpaper from your gallery. I'll go to the gallery and find some nice photos that I want to use as wallpapers. You can pick up to 15 different photos, and your phone will rotate between these every time you lock and unlock your phone. Unfortunately, the automatically changing wallpapers only work on the lock screen, and for the home screen, you can only choose one wallpaper. There are some ways to work around that, but it gets complicated, so we're not going to get into that now. Once you've selected your photos, you'll see how the lock screen preview will show a number of items in the bottom right corner, indicating that the lock screen is going to rotate between different photos. I'll tap Done and we're all set. Now, every time I lock my phone, it will switch to a different wallpaper. It's a pretty fun way to give your phone a different look every time you pick it up. Give it a try and let me know how it goes, and then click that like button down there if this helped you. Thanks all, I'll see you next time.